In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google BigQuery. It's a simple process, and will cover everything you need to know to do this efficiently and effectively. To start, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Cloud Console. Once you find the right link, go ahead and open it. When you're in the Google Cloud Console, you'll want to navigate to the BigQuery page. BigQuery is where all your data management and analysis can happen within Google's cloud services. Once you're on the BigQuery page, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the Explorer pane. Within this pane, you'll need to locate your specific project. Click to expand it and then select the Dataset section. Go ahead and choose the dataset where you want your new table to reside. Once you've expanded your desired dataset, direct your attention to the Dataset Info section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Create Table. Clicking on this option will begin the table creation process. Next, you'll need to specify the table details. This part involves a couple of steps, so let's break it down. First up is the Source section. Here, you'll choose how you want to create your table. You have a few options. You can start with an empty table, import data directly from a file in cloud storage, or use a file from Google Drive. If you have a file on your local machine that you want to use, you can upload that instead. Once you've decided on your table creation method, it's time to move on to the Destination section. Specify the project and dataset you're working with, and give your new table a unique name. This is important because it's how you'll reference and interact with your table moving forward. With your destination set, the next focus is on defining the table's schema. This schema will outline the structure of your table by specifying column names and data types. If you already know what your columns should be, you can manually enter this information. However, if you are using a source file like a CSV or JSON, you can simply select the Auto Detect option. This feature will analyze your data and propose a schema for you, which can be a real time saver. Once everything is set up and you've reviewed all your options, the final step is straightforward. Click Create Table. Your table will then be created within the dataset you specified, ready for you to load data into it or use in your analysis. You now have a functioning table in BigQuery, ready to store data and support your data analysis efforts.